Gender and adjectives. Mis amigos famosos. Mi amigo Roger Federer. Roger es alto y atlético. También él es muy inteligente. Mi amiga Serena Williams. Serena es atlética y morena. Ella es elegante. Donald Trump. Donald Trump es trabajador y rubio. También es realista. Marissa Mayer. Marissa es rubia y trabajadora. Ella es realista también. Presidente Barack Obama. Obama es moreno y trabajador. También él es sociable. Ok. Preguntas. ¿Quién es morena? ¿Quién es morena? ¿Serena o Obama? ¿Quién es morena? Serena. ¿Quién es rubio? ¿Quién es rubio? ¿Donald o Marissa? ¿Quién es rubio? Donald es rubio. Marissa es rubia. ¿Y quién es trabajadora? Donald o Marissa? ¿Quién es trabajadora? Donald o Marissa? Marissa. ¿Quién es atlético? Serena o Roger? ¿Quién es atlético? Serena o Roger? Roger. Roger es atlético. Serena es atlética. ¿Quién es elegante? Serena, Roger o Donald? ¿Quién es elegante? Serena. Roger es inteligente. ¿Sí o no? Roger es inteligente. ¿Sí o no? Sí, es inteligente. Muy bien. Okay, so here are our adjectives that were about my famous friends. And I'd like you to go ahead and take a look at the endings of each adjective. Now, we did talk about endings before in lesson 1. And let's see if you remember. Okay, so you should have noticed that there's O's and there's A's. There's an occasional R. It's a special adjective. And there's E's. So what did you notice about the endings and how they relate to each person? Well, you should have noticed that the adjectives with O's were talking about the men, while the adjectives with A's talked about the women. That's one situation. Now, again, we have some special adjectives here that are exceptional. And we happen to have one here, realista. Donald Trump is realista. So that one is there. We'll talk about that some more in a second. And we also had an R here. This happened to be for the men, while trabajadora with an A happened to be about the girls. Now, what about the E's? Well, the E's could talk about either. There's no changing them to an A or an O. The E's can talk about either of them. For instance, Serena was elegante, Roger was inteligente. Okay, so back to that special verb, realista. So we had a couple of them mentioned, so I wanted to highlight this one again. So this just happens to be an exceptional one, realista, to where realista with an A will describe either a male or a female. There's no O. There's never an O at the end of this one. And the other two that follow the same rule is pesimista and idealista. So these have been mentioned before, but I want to make sure to say it again. So that's pretty much it. So if you have any other questions, you can go ahead and watch your Lesson 1 vocabulary, the Lesson 1 lecture, and with your vocabulary sheet and notes. Pues, hasta luego.